Friends, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing about some MCET preparation problems from the topic of limits. We will discuss these type of problems we can expect in the coming MCET examination. Now it will be considered as EAP in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In the state of Telangana, it will be TS MCET only. It will be. So let us have a discussion. The first question here. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x into cos 2x by sine square x. See, if you substitute x is equal to 0, Abhigna Creations, thank you for joining the class. If you substitute x is equal to 0 in this, you will get 0 by 0 form, dear students. Indeterminate form. Whenever you are getting indeterminate form, you have to apply L hospital rule. Limit extends to 0, constant derivative 0 by LH rule. UV formula here. UV. So cos x into d by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. I hope you understand. Plus cos 2x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, dear students? Divided by sin square x derivative is 2 sin x. Again, sin x derivative is cos x. So limit extends to 0. Minus into minus plus, anyway it will be plus. Next, 2 cos x into sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. We multiplied with divided by 2 sin x into cos x. From numerator and denominator, we are taking common sin x and then apply the limits. Limit extends to 0. Sin x I am considering taking common from both the terms and in the numerator. So 2 cos x into cos x. That means cos square x plus, so not only 2 into 2, 4 is there. I'm very sorry. Here sin x, if we take out common, cos 2x will be there by 2 into sin x into cos x. So sin x get cancelled. In the next step, limit extends to 0. 4 cos x into cos x cos square x plus cos 2x divided by 2 cos x. So x is equal to 0, substitute. You will get 4 into cos 0 whole square, 1 plus cos 0, 1 divided by 2. So 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another question now. Limit extends to infinity, 3x square minus 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus x minus 2 whole power 3x minus 2. If you observe carefully, x tends to infinity, numerator degree, denominator degree is same. Their highest power of in the numerator of polynomial degree is what? 3. Here also polynomial degree is 3. So 3 by 3 is 1 will come here, dear students. I hope you understand. 1 power x is equal to infinity, substitute 1 power infinity. Whenever the given reaches to 1 power infinity, we have the method. The formula also I'm writing. When x tends to anything, not only infinity, when x tends to a, f of x whole power, sorry, g of x reaches to 1 power infinity, we can bring into e power limit extends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. We have to apply this procedure, dear students. This is very important procedure. Now come to limit e power, whenever it is reaches to 1 power infinity, e power limit extends to infinity. G of x means what? 3x minus 2. F of x minus 1. 3x square minus 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus x minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Now simplification. E power limit extends to infinity. 3x minus 2 into 3x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 2 whole divided by 3x square plus x minus 2. So e power limit extends to infinity. 3x minus 2 into minus 3x plus 5 divided by 3x square plus x minus 2. So even simplify this, e power limit extends to infinity. Minus 9x square minus 9x plus 15x minus plus 15x plus 6x plus 21x. Next minus 10 divided by 3x square plus x minus 2. Whenever x tends to infinity, both numerator and denominator degrees are same. Their coefficient is the answer, dear students. So, e power minus 9 by 3. Whenever the numerator and denominator degree will be same, whenever numerator denominator degree is same as x tends to infinity, their highest power in the numerator coefficient divided by highest power of denominator coefficient. So minus 9 by 3. Both degrees should be same, dear students. Then only we can apply. So e power minus 3. So e power minus 3 is there in the third option, dear students. We'll move to another question. I hope you understand. Yeah, I'm going to rub this. We'll continue with this. And write another set of questions. Slowly and clearly I will explain to students. This type of problems you have to practice. Absolutely, these type of questions we will expect in the examination. Limit extends to 3, x power 3 minus 27. It is a very easy question, but sometimes they may give in that way. We cannot if f of x is equal to 3ax minus 2b when x is greater than 1, ax plus b plus 1 when x is less than 1, and limit x tends to 1 f of x exists, then the relation between A and B is so first option 3a minus 2b equal to 1, second option 2a plus 3b is equal to 1, 2a minus 3b equal to 1, 2a plus 3b equal to minus 1. Next, another question. Limit x tends to 1, root x minus 1 by cos inverse x whole square is equal to. So options provided minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 4. So this is the way the options were provided. So first question, this is a straight question. We will do it like by using the formula. Limit x tends to 3, x power 3 minus 27 can be expressed as x 3 power 3 divided by x square minus 3 square. We have formula limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m divided by x power n minus a power n equal to m by n into a power m minus n. So by using this formula, m value is 3, n value is 2, a value is 3 whole power 3 minus 2. So 3 by 2 whole power 3 power 1. So 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is there absolutely in the second option, dear students. Now come to this question. If f of x equal to 3ax minus 2b when x is greater than 1, ax plus b plus 1 when x is less than 1, and limit x tends to 1 f of x is exist. See, when the limit exists, limit x tends to 1 f of x exists, that implies that limit x tends to 1 minus f of x should be equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Whenever left hand limit and right hand limit will be exist and both equal, then only limit exists at the point x is equal to a. So now limit x tends to 1 minus, x tends to 1 minus means x is less than 1. When x is less than 1, what is the function here? So in place of that, ax plus b plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, x tends to 1 plus means x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1, the function is 3ax minus 2b. So x is equal to 1, substitute. Here it will become a plus b plus 1 is equal to 3a minus 2b. So a plus b bring this side. You will get 1 is equal to 3a minus a minus 2b minus b. So 1 is equal to 2a minus 3b. This is the required relation between a and b. 2a minus 3b is equal to 1. 2a minus 3b is equal to 1, which is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another question here. So x is equal to 1 if you substitute. What happens here? X is equal to 1 means 1 minus 1, 0. Cos inverse 1 will becomes 0. 0 square. 0 by 0 means you will get indeterminate form. So whenever it is indeterminate form, we will do that L hospital rule. If you do that L hospital rule, root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x, and cos inverse x whole square means 2 into cos inverse x into again cos inverse x derivative. You have to do that. So before that, what I want to do is root x minus 1, it is irrational term, no? It is a factorization we need to do, rationalization, sorry. So root x minus 1 divided by cos inverse x whole square into, what is the rationalizing factor of root x minus 1? Root x plus 1. So multiplying and dividing by root x plus 1. So this limit will becomes, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 divided by root x plus 1 into cos inverse x whole square. X is equal to, now what we have to do is, after this step, limit x tends to 1, 1 by root x plus 1, this you have to separate it. The remaining terms is there, no? Limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 by cos inverse x whole square will take another term. Do you understand, dear students? So if you apply this, you will get 1 by 1 plus 1, it will be 1 by 2. And from here, put cos inverse x is equal to some theta. So what comes here? X is equal to cos theta will come. Are you all with me, dear students? So now, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1, sorry, x is equal to cos theta, no? So x minus 1, what value will come? Cos theta minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2 sin square theta by 2 will come. This is about x minus 1, dear students. So now, as x tends to 1, so 1 is equal to cos theta. Now cos theta, when it will be equal to 1? Theta equal to 0. That means theta tends to 0. This you have to remember. As x tends to 1, theta tends to 0. So wherever x tends to 1 is there, replace with theta tends to 0. In place of x minus 1, minus 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by cos inverse x is theta, so theta square. So minus 2 bring outside, minus 2 divided by, here 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have limit x tends, theta tends to 0, sin square theta by 2 by theta square. So it will be minus limit theta tends to 0, sine of 1 by 2 theta divided by theta whole square. It is in the form of limit x tends to 0, sine ax by x. We have the formula limit x tends to 0, sine ax divided by x is equal to a. So in place of theta coefficient is what? 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. We have the answer in the first option, minus 1 by 4. This is the way we can proceed, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another set of questions. It may be another methods are there, but I am producing here whatever method here I am doing, that another methods also possibilities are there, dear students. Limit extends to pi by 4, 4 root 2 minus cos x plus sin x whole power 5 divided by 1 minus sin 2x is equal to options 5 root 2, 3 root 2, 2 root 2, only root 2. If limit extends to 0, e power x minus a minus log of 1 plus x divided by sin x is equal to 0. 0 means finite value. Then a is equal to 1, 2, 0, minus 1. So what are the options for this? You need to give it. See, x is equal to pi by 4, substitute directly in this. What happens? X is equal to 4 root 2 pi by 4 if you substitute. Cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4, both are 1 by root 2 only. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. It will be root 2, no? Root 2 whole power 5 is 4 root 2 only, no? So 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2, 0. Here, sin pi by 2 value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. So by using L'Hospital rule, LH rule, what comes? Limit extends to pi by 4, constant derivative 0, minus 5 into cos x plus sin x whole power 4. Cos x derivative is minus sin x and sin x derivative is cos x. So can we write cos x minus sin x? Divided by 0 minus constant derivative 0 minus sin x derivative is 2 cos 2x. Now limit extends to pi by 4 minus 5 into cos x plus sin x whole power 4 divided by minus 2 into cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x. We can write it, dear students, into cos x minus sin x. So here minus minus get cancelled, 5 by 2 bring outside. Limit extends to pi by 4. Cos x plus sin x whole power 4 divided by a square minus b square means we will write it as cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x into cos x minus sin x. So cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x get cancelled. So you will get 5 by 2 into x is equal to pi by 4, substitute 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole power 4 divided by 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 5 by 2. This is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means what? Root 2. Root 2 whole power 4 by root 2. That is equal to 5 by 2. Root 2 whole power 4 means root 2 into root 2. 2 to the 4. And for 16 divided by root 2. Okay, dear students. Even here also 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2 will come. Sorry, root 2 whole power 4 means, I'm very sorry, 4 will come here. So 2 2s are. So 5 into 2 by root 2. So that is equal to 5 into root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. So which is equal to 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 is there in the first option, dear students. Now come to here. Whenever limit exists and having the value is 0, it is having some finite value. Finite value means limit exists only, no? So limit extends to 0. E power x minus a minus log x plus 1 or 1 plus x divided by sin x is equal to 0. So dividing numerator and denominator by x and separate the limits. E power x minus a minus log 1 plus x divided by x. So limit extends to 0. Sin x by x. I hope everyone understand, dear students. This value is 1, no? So limit extends to 0. E power x minus a by x minus this value. Limit extends to 0. Log of 1 plus x divided by x whole divided by this value is 1 is equal to 0. Cross multiply. So limit extends to 0. E power x minus a by x minus this value is also 1, dear students, is equal to 0. Since limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus ax by x is equal to a. In place of x coefficient 1 is there, also your answer is 1. Similarly, limit extends to 0, sin x by x is equal to also 1. And one more important thing, limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. But here accordingly, limit extends to 0, e power x minus a by x is equal to 1. Are you getting all of you, dear students? By comparing this also, you will get answer is 1. After that, whenever extends to 0, if you substitute here, you will get by applying L'Hospital rule, you will get a value is 1. Otherwise, by applying this formula, it implies that a value should be equal to 1. Otherwise, from here, by LH rule, you will get limit extends to 0, e power x derivative is e power x minus constant derivative 0. It not happens. LH rule, it is not the correct one. This is the only correct way. A is equal to 1. That implies A is equal to 1 by using this formula. To exist this limit, A value should be equal to 1, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another set of questions. Okay. We'll move to another set of questions. 2 to 3 questions. We'll move it. Some students are watching, please share to your friends and relatives and like this video. Why? Because if you like this video, it reaches to more students. I already said my intention to reach village people especially. Why? Because they didn't have tutorials or academies to take the coaching. At least weekly thrice or 4 times I will come to the sessions, and these subject, minimum subject knowledge I am sharing to the students. That is my intention to do, to make these videos, dear students, not like other one. Why? Because for 3 years, 4 years, I am getting 8,000, 10,000 from YouTube. I am not. This is the service oriented only. I am making these videos. Just I want to make one channel for on my name. That's the reason I am doing these videos. I hope you understand. Next question. If f of x equal to 5x into cosecant root x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into cosecant root x, then limit x tends to infinity, f of x square is equal to. So options are provided. 1 minus 1, 5 and minus 5. The next question. Limit x tends to root 1 plus 4x minus root 3 plus 3x divided by x cube minus 8, which is equal to, so first option 16, so 1 by 72, 1 by 36, 1 by 24, 1 by 12. These are the 4 options they given, dear students. We go with whatever we want. See, first f of x value is already given. F of x square I am writing. So 5x square cosecant of x will come now, root x square means minus 1 divided by x square minus 2 into cosecant x. So f of x square can be written as, wherever cosecant x is there, 1 by sin x, you write it, reciprocal of sin. So 5x square minus sin x divided by, here sin x will be there, even cosecant x also we can write it as 1 by sin x. Here sin x get cancelled. Directly I am writing, dear students. I hope you understand. So now limit x tends to infinity, f of x square. So limit x tends to infinity, 5x square minus sin x divided by x square minus 2. So numerator degree, denominator degree are equal. So whenever numerator denominator degrees are equal, their coefficients will be the answer. X square coefficient in the numerator is 5 by x square in the denominator, x square coefficient is 1. So 5 by 1. Otherwise, we will do in that way, dear students. Limit x tends to infinity, x square take out common, 5 minus sin x by x square by x square take out common, 1 minus 2 by x square. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x square tends to 0. Suppose if you do not understand this procedure, 5 we got the answer. Otherwise, this will be done in this x square get cancelled. As x tends to infinity, 1 by x square tends to 0 means this value goes to be 0, this value goes to be 0. You will have only 5 divided by 1, which is equal to 5, dear students. I hope you understand. So your answer is 5. Now come to this question. Limit x tends to 2. Rationalize root 1 plus 4x minus root 3 plus 3x divided by x cube minus 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So x cube minus 2 cube. Multiplying and dividing by rationalizing factor 1 plus root 4x plus 3 plus 3x divided by root 1 plus 4x plus root 3 plus 3x. Limit extends to 2. This is a minus b into a plus b. So 1 plus 4x minus 3 plus 3x divided by x cube minus a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So x minus 2 into x square plus 4 plus 2x plus 4 into root of 1 plus 4x plus root of 3 plus 3x. So you observe that 4x minus 3x is x, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this complete numerator value and x minus 2 will be cancelled. In the remaining place, wherever x is there, replace with 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 into root 9 plus root 9. So which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 4 plus 12 into 6. 12 6 is 72. So 1 by 72 is our required answer, dear students. Do you understand, all of you? Yeah, we'll move to another question and last question in the session. I'm going to end the session with the last. Limit extends to 0, sine of pi cos square x divided by x square is equal to first option pi, second option minus pi, third option pi by 2, fourth option 1. So today till this problem is enough, dear students. I will explain this question in a thoroughly manner. First, cos square x in terms of sine, we need to do that. Limit extends to 0, sine of pi into 1 minus sine square x, am I right? Divided by x square. So limit extends to 0, sine of pi into 1 is pi minus pi into sine square x divided by x square. Are you all with me, dear students? So it is in the form of sine of pi minus theta. Sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. So limit extends to 0, sine pi sine square x divided by x square. So pi coefficient is sine square x, no? So I want to get the denominator itself. So what I am doing is multiplying and dividing by sine square x. Sine of pi into sine square x divided by x square. Here multiplying with sine square x and dividing with sine square x. So these two will be, the places will be interchanged. Limit extends to 0, sine of pi sine square x divided by sine square x into limit extends to 0, sine square x divided by x square. as x tends to 0, x square tends to also 0, and sine square x tends to also 0. Why? Because sin x tends to both sides, sin you take, sin 0 0 only, no. Sin x 0 means obviously sin square x tends to also 0. So for this first limit sin square x tends to 0, sin of pi sin square x by sin square x. It is in the form of limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x form. So a value is what in this? This value is pi will come here, students. This bracket value. It is in the form of limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x. A value is pi. It is, we can write it as limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole square. Even this value is also 1 square. So pi into 1 square is pi is our answer. So our answer is pi, dear students. I hope you understand. This is in intermediate in maths 1B limits topic. The third exercise, once I think 6C exercise. In the 6C exercise, this is one of the important questions. In 4 marks questions, otherwise sometimes 2 marks question also they are asking in intermediate, either Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. In intermediate textbook it is there. This is the direct question, one of the previous EAMCET questions also. You can practice thoroughly, sincerely. This question is, it will be there in the third bit, I think. Okay. Thank you all dear students. Thank you for your support. Even dear friends also, those who are watching. For your support, thank you. Please share to your friends and relatives, especially those who are required, needy students. For them you can share. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.